up! What the
Moved up his seat a few inches, so when he's sitting there, he'll have to readjust his seat. Matt!
How many of these do you have?
Oh, this never gets old.
Right here is my wireless remote. It's controlled by this key fob here, and then that's all hooked up to the horns. So turn the battery on, and let's see if this works. I'm in the bathroom. He's gonna be home shortly from work, and he always does his business when he comes home. I got the setup right here. I'm gonna put it right in the closet here.